Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could be a game changer for your power backup needs, the Generac 6343 Raintight Power Inlet Box. If you're considering enhancing your home's generator setup, we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Generac 6343? This is a 30-amp, 125/250V power inlet box designed specifically for outdoor use. It provides a secure point to connect your generator safely and efficiently, especially during those unexpected power outages. One of the standout features of the Generac 6343 is its raintight protection. This means you can install it outside your home or building, knowing that it can withstand the elements. This is particularly beneficial if you live in an area prone to heavy rain or snow, ensuring your connections remain secure and dry. In terms of construction, the Generac 6343 is made from NEMA 3 rated corrosion-resistant aluminum. This durable material not only promises long-lasting performance but also allows you to paint it to blend seamlessly with your home's exterior. Whether you want it to match your siding or stand out against your landscape, the choice is yours. Installation is another area where the Generac 6343 excels. It's compatible with Generac generators that have 30-amp outlets and works well with Generac transfer switches. This compatibility ensures a smooth and hassle-free setup, making it an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and those who prefer a professional installation. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a homeowner looking for a reliable backup power solution, this inlet box is designed for you. It's perfect for anyone who relies on a generator during outages, whether for basic necessities or more demanding power needs. Practical use cases for the Generac 6343 are numerous. For instance, if you live in an area with frequent storms or power outages, having this power inlet box can make a significant difference. It allows you to connect your generator indoors safely, providing power to a